Hi everybody, this is Serena, Morgan's mother. I am going to talk to you today about this unit from UNICE. All of the wig information, the description, etc. will be in the box below. But we're going to get right into it. It came with a few little goodies, this headband, wig cap, lashes. I think there was a makeup brush. There it is, makeup brush. Now, this is a glueless unit, but as you can see, Morgan is doing the ball cap method, or I am. I've seen enough videos to where I really think I could do one. This is me putting the got to be. So we did do that part. You'll see here in a minute, the wig is a closure and not like an ear-to-ear lace. So the install on this ball cap is just a little easier. But anyway, this is Morgan blow drying it, and then we're cutting the ball cap off. This is Morgan helping me around the ear. We're taking the ball cap off. This is her cleaning it up a little bit. And I'm excited. This is Morgan putting foundation or concealer, whatever you want to do, just the top part, just where the closure part is. Like I said, this wig is not going to allow you to have many parting options, so you don't really have to conceal too much, just that top area. So we're doing that. This is Morgan putting it on, adjusting some of the stuff. There's combs in the wig. There's a strap in the back, which I like that strap. I use the strap, and then I also use the comb that's in the back. This is Morgan taking off some of the lace. This is her using some got to be just to reinforce the melting of the lace. I like the hair. It wasn't too thick. It wasn't too thin. I liked it. Excuse me, I'm sniffling. I have bad allergies. This is Morgan putting the band on. This helps with the melting process. So this is me being a little silly because I'm ready to swing my bust down. Morgan's just taking the iron through it a little bit more just to kind of give it a straight, sleek look. I don't know what that was. Anyway, back to the video. I wonder what we were laughing at. I was trying to be serious. Okay, I'm being serious now. Okay, this is Morgan putting some face framing layers in with the razor comb. If you don't have a razor comb, you really can't do hair. But anyway, she's putting some layers in with the razor comb. That's me taking the band off. It looks so fresh and pretty. I feel so refreshed. I needed this. This is Morgan just taking it and making it look really straight at the roots. Now, I'm since then home, been wearing the wig. I don't care if all that's up there bone straight. Now, that could just be the ugly helmet wig wearer in me. I could care less if that's flat up there, but it does look pretty. So this is her just kind of making sure it's straight, flat. But I was feeling a little fresh right here. Uh-oh, wait, honey. Honey, boom. Thank y'all. Go check out UNICE wigs.